Now we shall discuss on the concept that which measures of variability is the best and why. In the process we shall compare these four statistical measures of variability on the basis of certain parameters. My first parameter is reliable measures. So far as a reliable measure is concerned, the standard deviation is the most reliable, followed by quartile deviation, average deviation, then quartile deviation and the range. As we have already discussed, the range is the least reliable measures of variability and the most reliable measures of variability is standard deviation. So on this scale, standard deviation exceeds quick. So far as quick calculation is concerned, range followed by quartile deviation, followed by average deviation and the standard deviation. But this is not a very important parameter as per the statistical aspect. When median as a measure of central tendency, we know when the median is a measure of central tendency, it is advisable to use quartile deviation, not average deviation and standard deviation. So at this juncture it exceeds, quartile deviation exceeds. For the irregular and incomplete series, for open-ended series, quartile deviation also exceeds. So that is also a parameter on which the average deviation and the standard deviation is not a good measure in comparison to the quartile deviation. Rather, quartile deviation is a good measure. But when mean as a measure of central tendency, standard deviation and average deviation are equally good. Since it is based on all the observation, so both standard deviation and average deviation are equally good measures and better measure of variability in comparison to quartile deviation and of course from range as well, because it is being affected by the fluctuation, but it is one of its merits that it is based on all the observation. So on this parameter, that it is based on all the observation, the standard deviation and average deviation is equally good. So far as further algebraic implication is concerned, this is a standard deviation that exceeds far ahead in comparison to other measures of variability, और ये इसको सबसे ज्यादा महत्वपूर्ण बना देता है. So far as its applicability in the study of normal probability curve, it is only a standard deviation that exceeds. Rather, this is the only measure that is being used in the calculation or understanding or the study of normal probability as a curve. अभी हमने फिगर बना के भी आपको दिखाया था. When there is the need of the comparison of series, तो हमने कहा कि दोनों बेटर है, लेकिन उसमें भी यदि आप ज्यादा इंफॉर्मेशन देने वाली बात करें तो स्टैंडर्ड डेविएशन एक्सीड करता है. So in nutshell we can conclude that a standard deviation is the best measure of measures of variability. The reasons are that it is most reliable measure, it uses mean as a measure of central tendency, which is being considered as the best measures of central tendency. It is very useful for further algebraic implication, whether it is the computation of standard error, whether it is the computation of correlation, computation of T, computation of F, and other statistical measures. The standard deviation is most useful statistics for the computation of other statistical treatment and most widely applicable measures of variability in research. It is the best measure because it is based on all the observation, and we have also discussed that for the study of normal probability curve, it is inseparable. It means the study of normal probability curve is not possible without the implication of a standard deviation. And the last, it is very important for the comparison of two series. So in this way, on the basis of reliability, on the basis of the application of best measures of central tendency, that is mean, its further algebraic implications, its use of all the observation in its calculation, its utility for the calculation or understanding of NPC as a concept, and its utility in the comparison of two series, the best measure. So by considering these parameters, we can conclude that a standard deviation is the best measure of variability. Thank you very much.